Now we're going to use our binomial expansion ideas to work with probability. We've set up a problem here. The chance of passing additional maths is 0.9. We have a class of 27. Find the probability that exactly 20 pass. Well, thinking about passing this exam, you can either pass or immediately you know that fail must make a total of 1, so 0.9 add 0.1 is the probability of failing. These are our two terms for the expansion. So now we're going to find out the probability exactly 20 pass out of 27. So that would give us 27 choose 20. Our two terms are 0.9 and 0.1. We're looking at exactly 20 passing, and that would leave 7 failing. 20 add 7 is 27. So now all I have to do is type that into the calculator, and that will give me the probability of exactly 20 passing. So here we go, 27 choose 20 is 888030, times that by 0.9 to the power 20, and times that by 0.1 to the power 7, and that will get me an answer of 0.108 when I round that to 3 significant figures. Don't forget, you tend to round it to 3 significant figures. You won't be penalised if you put down the entire value. In fact, if you're going to be doing multiple steps on these problems, it's probably better on your calculation stage to actually write the whole thing down. Your final answer should be to 3 significant figures, but if you're going to be working with that later on, maybe multiplying that by another number, best to hold on to it. Now on that last calculator input, I pressed equal after each stage, being very careful doing things in small steps, but it is okay to just type in 27 choose 20 times by 0.9 to the power 20 times by 0.1 to the power 7. And as you can see, we've got exactly the same answer as before. And here's your questions. We're staying with the class of 27. Probability of passing is 0.9, therefore failing is 0.1. What's the probability exactly 25 pass? And then a second one, what's the probability that they all pass? And your answers. The first one would be 27 choose 5, 0.9 to the power 25, 0.1 to the power 2, and the final one is 27 choose 27, which is 1, so we don't really need to do that part. We've got 0.9 to the power 27, and we've got 0.1 to the power nothing, which is 1 as well. So all we really need when we're just asking for everybody passing is 0.9 to the power 27. And here we have the answer, 0.251,982,1937. So it's 27 choose 25 times 0.9 to the 25 times 0.1 to the power 2. That's how it read on your calculator. Don't forget, when you're rounding that off, that should give you, that's your final answer, to 3 significant figures. That's 0.252. That's only if it's a final answer. And the answer to everybody passing is 27 choose 27 times 0.9 to the 27 times 0.1 to the power of nothing, which is the same as 0.9 to the power of 27, gives me 0.058149,737. Round that off to 3 significant figures, so we'll start at the 5, 8 and the 1. We don't round up the 1 because the next number is 4, so the answer is 0.0581.